So in this section, I will share the details about assignment operators. So the first one is used to assign any values. So let's say I have a variable a, and I can define some value 25 to it. So 25 value will be assigned to a. Understood? That is normal assignment operator we'll be using. There are other short forms in the down, which are say plus equal to is one operator, which is first you need to do add and then assign. So a plus equal to 6 refers to a short form to a is equal to a plus 6. So if I write a plus equal to 6 after this statement, so the which is equivalent to a is equal to a plus 6. So this a value will be 25 at present. 25 plus 6, it will be 31. So the 31 will be assigned to this. So if a is equal to 25, the first statement, then if I type a plus equal to 6, then that a value in the background, which is holding 25 now, will be replaced with 31. Understood? So the same way, like plus equal to, we'll be having minus equal to. Star equal to means similarly, a is equal to a into 6, which is equivalent to a star equal to 6. Similarly, division, floor division or integer division, and double star equal to rise to the power of modulus operation, and this is R. This is mostly these three are bitwise operators, like a equal to a or 6. So R operation, what happens is the 6 will be converted to binary number, and a also will be converted to binary number in the bitwise operations, and each bit will be done the R operation. In the final number will be done R, will be assigned to a equal to AR6. Similarly, AND operation, and this is XOR operation. This is bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift. Understood? So I will tell you one by one. So a equal to, let's say, some 6. So let me convert this to, so now next operation is a r equal to 6. So this is equivalent to a equal to a r 6. Now let's pick this AR6 first. Then we can go to the assembly. This AR6. A is 6. 6 or 6. Or let me keep some 16 here. So AR6 means 16 or 6. So first we need to convert this 16 to binary number. That one you can do like this: 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 8 is 16. So 0. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. Like LCM I am doing. 2 2s 4. 0. Remainder. 2 1s 2. Remainder 0. As 1 is reached, you can stop here. Understood? Or you can do like this: 2 zeros are 0. 1 is a remainder. So this part 1 1 2 3 4. So 1 1 2 3 4. Or simple, what you can do is you can calculate like this also. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4 16. 2 power 5 32. 2 power 6 64. 2 power 7 128. 2 power 8 256. So you divide your value in this range. So I got 16. 16 can be divided as, in this table, 16 is in this portion. So 2 power 4. So here I will keep 1. And remaining portion, front portions I wrote by now. Right portions, it will be zeros. So it will be 1 probable 0. 1 probable 0. Same. So 16 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see the 6. 6. Can I keep any of these places? All these are greater. 8 is also greater. But 4 is not greater. So here I will keep 1 portion. So in the 6, 4 is minus. So how much is left? 2 is left. These 2 I can keep here. So 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0. Front portions you can keep zeros. Understood? So this is 16 and this is 6. When I do OR operation, 0 or 0, OR operation will be like this. If either of the values is 1, then it will be 1. And remaining places, it will be 0. If at least 1, 1 is there, it will be 1. So 0, 0, both are zeros, the value is 0. 0 and 1, the value is 1. 0 and 1, the value is 1. 0 and 0, the value is 0. 1 and 0, the value is 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So you can do the calculation like this now. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. So remove all the 0 parts. 2 power 1, this 2, 2 square, 4, 0, 0 is left. 2 power 4, 2 power 4 means 16. 16 plus 4 plus 2, which is equivalent to 22. So the OR operation will be 22. So A R equal to 6. Then the A will become from 16 to, it will be replaced with 22. Understood? So similarly, R what happened? If either of them is 1, if any at least 1, 1 is there, it will be 1. Understood? So that's why here as 1, 1 is there, it will be 0. But in AND operation, both should be 1. Then only it will be 1. In remaining cases, it is 0. If it is AND operation, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All are zeros. The end result will be 0. Understood? So let me try that. A is equal to 16. A or 6 is 22. A is still 16 because I didn't assign back to A, right? So if I want to change the value to 22, A R equal to 6. Now you type A is changed to 22. Here in the first case, only the value is calculated, but it is not assigned back. To assign back, I will be using this one. So similarly, A is equal to 16, I am keeping again. Now A is 16. A and equal to 6. Now type A, it is 0 because AND operation returns 0. There is one more XOR operation. That one, what it will do is reverse of it. So let's say A is all ones. So let's say A is equal to some 8. A is equal to 8. So what is 8 here? 1 triple 0. 1 triple 0. 1 triple 0 is the binary representation of 8. And let's represent with 6. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. Understood? A XOR means this one. XOR and this one. XOR 6. It's becoming 14. How? 8 plus 6. So 0 and 0. XOR. Similarly, try A or here both are showing the same result. Let's show a different value because there is one difference between XOR and OR. What is this one here? Let me keep it 6 and 8. 14. 6 plus 8, 14. So let's keep B is equal to 14. A is equal to 8. A or B became 6. You know what is the difference is 1,000. Or let's say A or B, what it is showing 14. What is the difference is this is so 1110. So if I do XOR operation, 0 and 0 will become 0. 0 and 1 will become 1. 0 and 1 will become 1. 1 and 1 also it will become 0. This is the only difference. Understood? So 0 and 1, 1, 0, it will be 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 6. If it is OR operation, here it will be 1. Understood? Then it will be 1110, 6 plus 8, 14. That is the difference between OR and XOR. In OR operation, at least 1 is there, 1 is there, it will become 1. But in XOR, it should be either 1 or 0. Alternative value should be there. If all values are equal, then it will be 0. If all are zeros, it will be 0. If all are ones, then also it will be 0. That is XOR operation. In bitwise right shift operator, what happens is, here in the value, let's say I have like this. When I do right shift, one value will be shifted right side. So this 1 can come here, and this place will be filled with 0. This one will come here, this one will come here. 1 will be shifted.